Welcome, students, to Shiney Brain Academy. Today we are demystifying the fundamental classification of matter, elements, compounds, and mixtures. Let's get started. Think of elements as the unique ingredients in a cosmic kitchen. Each element is made of only one kind of atom. Gold is gold because it only contains gold atoms. Elements are chemically pure. Whether you have a grain of gold or a bar of gold, it is all the same type of atom, which is why elements are so stable. When elements decide to hold hands through chemical bonds, they form compounds. Water, for example, is a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. Notice how sodium is a reactive metal and chlorine is a poisonous gas. But together, they form salt, which we eat. That is the magic of chemical bonding. A mixture is like a salad. You can pick out the onions if you want to. No chemical reaction happens here, the components just hang out together. If you stir sugar into water, you get a mixture. It looks uniform, but the sugar is still sugar, and the water is still water. Let's compare them. Elements are pure atoms, compounds are chemically locked atoms, and mixtures are physically gathered materials. Keep this distinction clear. Ask yourself, are they bonded? If no, is it one type of atom? If it is one, it's an element. If it's more, it's a mixture. Many students think there is a single element. It is actually a mixture. You can breathe in nitrogen and oxygen separately because they are just floating together. If you see a formula like H2O, you know it's a compound. If you see just O, that's an element. If you see salt water, that's a mixture. Because mixtures aren't bonded, we use physical tools to separate them. Compounds require heat, electricity, or chemical reactions to break their strong bonds. Engineers and chemists use these categories every day to ensure our food is safe and our materials are strong. It is the foundation of modern technology. Remember the K. Once the ingredients are bonded by heat, they become a new thing. That is a compound. A salad is just a mixture. Solutions are tricky. They look like compounds, but because the salt isn't bonded to the water, they are classified as homogeneous mixtures. Steel is a common trap. It's a mixture of iron and carbon, called an alloy. It looks solid and simple, but it is a mixture. When in doubt, check the periodic table. If the name isn't there, it's either a compound made of multiple elements or a mixture of different things. Think about it, air is a mixture, gold is an element, and soil is a complex mixture. Water is the only compound in that list. Bonding takes energy and releases energy. That is why chemistry is so exciting. It's all about how these bonds hold our world together. Industries depend on our ability to separate mixtures and synthesize compounds. It's the basis of our modern economy. Let's review. Elements are simple, compounds are organized and bonded, and mixtures are flexible. That is the core of our lesson today. You have done well today. You understand the difference between pure elements, chemically locked compounds, and physical mixtures. Now, let's test our brain power. Question: which of the following statements accurately describes the fundamental difference between a compound and a mixture? The options are A. A compound is physically combined, while a mixture is chemically bonded. B. A compound has a fixed ratio of elements, whereas a mixture has a variable composition. C. A compound can be separated by physical methods, while a mixture requires a chemical reaction. D. Both compounds and mixtures consist of only one type of atom throughout. Take a moment to select the correct answer. Answer: the correct answer is B. A compound has a fixed ratio of elements, whereas a mixture has a variable composition. Subscribe to Shiney Brain Academy for more lessons. Share this video with friends. Join us for more educational content.